Hi, Luchan. Thank you very much for participating in the OC4 AMable call and for accepting to share with us some details about the HEATGEM project. But first of all, who are you and what do you do?
Hi, Oliver. My name is Lucian Demeter, and I am a research engineer at ICPE. ICPE is a Romanian SME in the field of electrical engineering.
Could you please describe the idea of your product, the idea of the HEATGEM project?
The HEATGEM project investigates a new heat extraction approach for application in electrical machines. The goal is that with the optimized heat guides, to reach a 30% improvement in dissipative heat transfer. The objective of this project was to evaluate the concept of the heat guides with, let's say, immune to external magnetic field with good heat transfer capability.
But, what made you think about additive manufacturing? Which were your expectations?
One direction of our research strategy is to find new materials for motors, like soft magnetic composites, metamaterials, cryogenic materials, MAR materials. The second direction is to find new manufacturing processes as additive manufacturing to obtain new motor configurations. Additive manufacturing offers the potential to radically change the electric motor designs so that they have compact design, multi-material components, innovative cooling solution, and optimally designed and manufactured components.
So please tell us which kind of expertise you are missing before starting this experiment, and which type of services did you select?
Indeed, our team has identified several services that we considered necessary to complete our expertise and to achieve the project goal. The first service was AM decision support. The selected service provider was Subsea, and this helped us to decide if AM is a valid option for manufacturing the heat guides. Also, we have considered that design for AM was a needed service, was also provided by Subsea, and this help us to understand how to properly design the heat guides in order to achieve our goal, namely to remove excess heat from the motor by transferring it by thermal conduction to the motor housing and finally to the environment. And finally, the third service was materials for additive manufacturing. The service was provided by Lortec. This helped us to understand what is the best material for the heat guides realization, and also provide guidelines for 3D printing them.
So overall, now if you have to wrap up everything, so how have you benefited from the AMable support?
We can say the biggest benefit is that through the AMable support, we have understood exactly what are the steps to follow when we want to introduce components in our motors to improve them. Components obtained through specific processes of additive manufacturing technology. We understand the difficulties that can appear during the different stages from idea to the 3D printing part, and its possible integration in our motor assembly.
And now the big question, when your product will be available on the market?
Most likely in the middle of 2025, the product will be available on the market.
Will there be any follow-up of this project? Do you have any other ideas for other AM products?
In the first phase, we need to optimize the heat guides studied in this project. We have to understand better the influence of different parameters of the heat guides to the motor cooling. For example, the length of the motor, interface between heat guides and the windings. It seems that the heat guides developed in this small project has a big potential in using them for space application, vacuum and cryogenic conditions. The next step is to use fluid-cooled heat guides to improve the cooling of the motors.
Congratulations. This seems like a quite impressive pipeline of projects that you intend to do in the future. A last word about how was your experience with the AMable, let's say, overall?
I must say the experience was fruitful. The tutoring activity was at its highest level, the tutor being involved in all details of the execution of the experiment and providing appropriate solution whenever needed based on his extensive experience. We receive support in terms of detecting the risk of delays or even failure to achieve project objectives. Also, LoreTech experts guide us through the project and always provided us with relevant information that help us achieve our goals. Also to know that the results were remarkable considering the low budget of the project.
Thank you very much, Lucian, for sharing all these details with us. I can also say as a tutor that it was also a very rewarding experience for me. And I wish you, all the success, all the joy, and all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you very much also. Bye-bye.